Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to password protect a page in Weebly. This is a fantastic way to keep certain content private, whether you're sharing exclusive information with clients or restricting access to members-only sections of your site. Let's get right into it. First, open your browser and head over to Weebly.com. Once you're there, log into your Weebly account using your credentials. After signing in, you'll land on your homepage where you can manage all your websites. Look at the left menu where you'll see the website option and click on it. From there, click Edit Site to access your site editor. You'll see a list of websites if you manage multiple ones, so choose the website you want to edit. Once selected, look at the right side of the screen and click the Edit button to open the site builder. Now that you're in the editor, click on Pages from the top menu. This will display a complete list of all the pages on your site, making it easy to navigate through your content. From this list, select the specific page you want to password protect. This could be a members area, a portfolio page, or any content you want to keep secure. Once you've selected your page, look at the left sidebar where you'll find the page settings. Click on Visibility, which controls who can access this particular page. Here's where the magic happens. From the visibility options, select Site Password. This feature allows you to restrict access to the page by requiring a password. Now, before you proceed, it's important to note that password protecting pages requires a paid Weebly plan. Specifically, you'll need at least the professional plan, which costs $12 per month when billed annually, or $16 month to month. This plan not only gives you password-protected pages, but also removes square branding, allows custom domains, and offers custom fonts. If you're on the free plan, you'll need to upgrade to use this feature. Once you've confirmed your plan supports this feature, enter the password you want to use in the password field. Choose something secure but memorable, especially if you'll be sharing it with multiple users. After entering your password, click Save to apply the password protection to the page. If you have additional pages that need protection, simply repeat this process for each one. When you're finished setting up all your password-protected pages, click Publish at the top right corner of the screen. This updates your live website with all the changes you've made. Finally, it's crucial to test that everything works correctly. Open a new browser window or use incognito mode, then try accessing the protected page. You should see a password prompt appear, confirming that your security is working as intended. And that's it. You've successfully password protected your Weebly page. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.